Okay guys, I am long right now in crude oil. We'll see how this turns out. The setup, I went ahead and applied this Midas curve to this important low here. You can see it held support in this area, and I'm looking at this black line right here. And we touched in here, and then where is my parameter here? Um, And then over here we got my initial entry was when this turned when the bars turned green right in here. So we touched the 5-minute, I dropped down to a 144 tick. Bars turned green, I got long right in here, and I've gone sideways. We're starting to head higher right now. And another chart that I'm using to monitor this, you can see we're long right in this area right here. First target is 83.28, which is you know, over 30 ticks higher, so pretty nice first target zone. And you can see my other two targets, 83.70 and 84.25. I took those targets off of some levels on the 5-minute. So I'm looking at this pivot. I want to exit one in here, and then I'm going to see if we can't get right back up towards the current day highs up in here. Okay guys, so market dipped down and I leaned into my idea. I bought an extra one right here, and just took a into this resistance area. I sold it, so I just made a scalp of not sure exactly what that was, but somewhere between 5 and 8 ticks, which is 50 to 80 bucks. Market dipped down again, gave me a tiny little key reversal, which again is just a lower. This bar had a lower low, and its close was at its midpoint or higher. I went ahead and bought right here. Actually, you can see that this bar, that bar was the same thing. So I went ahead and bought another one here and just sold it into this resistance area. Bottom line is, if my trade's wrong, I'm trying to scalp out a little profit to make up for the loss, since I have not moved my stop to a break-even point yet. And that's it. I'll be back. All right, you guys. Market's moving higher here. Thinking about taking one off into this zone right here. I'm going to kind of monitor as we get in there, which it looks like is about to happen here. Alright, you guys, market dipped again. I bought another one here and exited here for 10 ticks, and now I'm just monitoring this. I'm trying to pick this off here. I think I'm going to go ahead and actually tighten the stop. So we'll either hit one or the other here. Have a nice profit locked in there.
Order filled.
Alright, so we just got stopped out there.
Order canceled.
I'm going to take that off and let my other two my two bigger targets kick into play at this point. I'm not sure what happened here. I'm having to re-record this, but we tested this previous resistance here, and sorry, my voice is a little out of sync, but since it didn't blow right through there, I decided to go ahead and cover the one of the two remaining. Okay, you can see what our current net is for the day here. Going pretty well for a first trade. Alright, we broke above this little resistance, which is from this last test here, and we're hovering above it. Hopefully we'll stay above it here and start heading higher. Alright, we rallied up quite a bit further. Kind of wish I had been watching right in here. I think at this point, if it gets back below this support area, I'll probably exit the trade. So I'm going to see if we can't make a new high here again before doing that. If we break a new high, I'll probably move my stop up to here or possibly a little higher. We'll see. So I'm using this new trend indicator called Super Trend. It just switched to blue. We just broke above, we slightly above this red line here. And so I went ahead and just moved my stop below this last pivot. And I'll probably just trail it up as long as this stays blue. As long as this trend indicator stays blue. I'll see about trailing the stop up after it at this point. Hopefully we'll make it all the way up to 84.25. Alright, I'm not exactly on it here. I've been paying attention to a few other things while this has been developing. Probably would have wanted to exit just a little bit below here. And actually, I'm gonna go ahead and move out of this position right here.